everyone, you're welcome back to NG Styles Organic Beauty Tips. I'm NG Styles. So today I'll be showing you how to make conditioning hair pomade. This beautiful conditioning hair pomade will keep your hair shiny, soft, silky smooth, and it will also help your hair to grow faster. So here are the ingredients I will be using for this formula. So starting here, I have shea butter. Here I have BTM's MS50, and here I have coconut butter or coconut oil. Here I have cetyl alcohol. Here in this bowl I have stearic acid. Here I have some beeswax. You can use the white beeswax if that's what you have. You can use any wax of your choice, any wax you have at home. Here I'm using yellow beeswax. So here I have some argan oil, jojoba oil, apricot kernel oil, castor oil here, and this is my cool down face. So what I have here is IPM vitamin E oil, peppermint essential oil, and rosemary essential oil, but you can feel free to use any essential oil of your choice. Okay, the IPM is to keep this product grease free. Okay, so I'm gonna list out the ingredients I use under the description box. I'm gonna put out the measurements of each ingredient down in the description box. Okay, so let's just get formulating. So I'll start by adding the shea butter. Then I'm going to follow by adding the BTMS50. Add the cetyl alcohol. Add the coconut oil or coconut butter. I'm going to go ahead and add our beeswax. Add stearic acid. So I'm going to go ahead and heat this oil up until it melts properly. Okay, so the waxes and the BTM S50 acetyl alcohol, everything has fully melted, as you can see. Fully melted. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the liquid oils. So I'm going to add my argan oil, jojoba oil, apricot kernel oil, castor oil. So I'm gonna stir, as you can see. Look at the reaction, thanks to the beeswax there. So as soon as you add the cold oils, it's gonna go back like this, but don't worry, just keep stirring it. Stir it properly until it cools down before we add our cool down face ingredients. Okay, so as you can see, it's getting cooler, and as it cools down, the product gets a little bit thicker. You can see it. So just like reaching the trace, but not really, still have more. But at this point, the temperature have dropped, like it has cooled down up to 120. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add our cool down face to it. So what we have, what I just added now is vitamin E oil, rosemary essential oil, peppermint essential oil, and IPM, that is isopropyl myricate, IPM. So add and stir it properly to combine, and then we add it to the container. I'm using a jar, so I'm going to be adding it to this jar. Make sure your jar is clean. Use some alcohol to spray it all over your jar inside, and then wipe it down with clean paper towel, also sprayed. You can see. So I'm gonna transfer this onto the jar now. So here is the finished product of our conditioning hair pomade, or you can call it hair wax cream. You need to feel the texture is so nice. So I'm gonna leave it open, allow it to cool down properly before covering it. Allow your product to cool down before you put on the cap. Okay guys, so this I'm gonna pull down the full formula on the description box, like I mentioned earlier, and with the measurements and everything you need to know. But this particular formula made 500 gram. Okay, so I got this is 8 ounce, that is 250 gram. So I got it like 2. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. I love you guys. Bye.